Formation, time, types, size, different site, geomorphological features, phases, dimension, rotation and revolution. First on Moon. From 4.5 billion years ago, it is a part of our Earth. Types: satellite, one and only satellite of the Earth. Atmosphere: it has no atmosphere, no medium for sound. Surface seen 59% from the Earth. Light: no lights, it reflects the sunlight. Size: 1/4 of the Earth. Near sight: the face of the Moon toward us. It's called near sight. Far sight: the sight that not seen from the Earth is called far sight. Geomorphology: food of impact craters and basin. Aitken Basin is the largest impact craters. Bare terrains, sinuous rills, some volcanic construction, tectonic features, gravitational features. Moon phases: 8 phases. New moon waxing crescent. First quarter waxing gives full moon. Waning gives last quarter waning crescent. Circumference: 11,000 km approx. Gravitational pull: 1/6 of the Earth. Surface area: 3.793 into 107 km square. Volume: 2.1958 into 1010 cubic kilogram. Mass: 7.3477 into 1022 kilogram. Diameter: 3474.8 km. Equatorial radius: 1738.14 km. Polar radius: 1735.97 km. Distance from the Sun: 150 million km. Light time: it takes 1.3 seconds to reach on Earth. Rotation and revolution. Rotation and revolution time almost same. Approximately 27 days, 7 hours, 43 minutes and 11 seconds. That is why same side of the Moon always faces to the Earth. Closest distance to the Earth, known as perigee, approximately 360,000 km. Farthest distance to the Earth, known as apogee, approximately 4 5,000 kilometers. First person landed on Moon, Neil Armstrong and Edwin Aldrin on 21st July 1969, Apollo 11. First country to send man on Moon, USA. First spacecraft capture far-sight photos. Luna 3A 1959 Flyover mission. First spacecraft in the world to sample Moon's crust. Surveyor 3 County, USA. First space vehicles to soft land. Lunar 9 County, USA. First space vehicles to land on Moon, Eagle.